Welcome back, everybody, to another episode. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. So this is the things that you'll need right when you buy your Traeger. Now there's so many things you can buy. The thing is that you just spent $1,000, $2,000, $1,500 for a Traeger. So now after all that, I don't think the wife's going to be too happy that you got to spend another couple $100 for just stuff that you'll need for it. So what I'm going to show you is just the basics that you're going to need when you just buy your Traeger. This is the stuff that you need just to go, and then after a while you can upgrade to a lot of good stuff. So one of the main things that you're going to need right off the bat, this is just, you need it, are pellets. This is what you're going to need. Now you're going to go to the store and you're going to see a lot of bags, different flavors: hickory, cherry, apple, signature blends, you name it, it's all there. So the one that I suggest is the one that you use, because each bag, each flavor goes with a certain type of meat. So you want to get one that works for the main ones: the beef, the pork, and the chicken. Now a little tip, each bag is going to tell you what they're good for. As you can see right here, it tells you what this flavor is good for. And it has the beef, the chicken, and the pork. Those are the ones that I suggest you try first. Grab the ones that you can do for many different meats. It just makes it easier at the beginning. Then after that, you can go and do certain flavors for a certain meat. So there's 4 that are for those 3 meats. It's the cherry, it's the apple, it's the hickory, and the signature blend. Those are for those 3 meats. Now me personally, I used to use a lot of the hickory, then I changed to pecan, and now I'm trying cherry, because those are 3 main meats that I cook. Now the second thing that you're going to need, this is a must when you just get your Traeger, you're going to need this no matter what, is a meat thermometer. This is a must when you buy your Traeger. You need this no matter what. Unless you're a meat wizard that can tell the internal temp by looking at it. Other than that, you need one of these. Now one of these, there's many meat thermometers out there. There's really expensive ones, there's really cheap ones. Now this one's the one I got at Walmart, and I've been using this for a year now. And I think I got it for 12 bucks. Now for 12 bucks, you can't beat it. It works perfectly fine. It's an Expert Grill mark. Walmart has it, 12 bucks. I think I bought this a year ago. Now if you want to spend a little bit more money on a meat thermometer, which I should suggest you probably do, because it just makes your life easy, and I'm talking easy. Now this, I had to come out and check every 20 minutes, 15 minutes to see where I was. Then I upgraded to one of these, wireless, that you download an app. This talks to the app tells you internal temp, and it tells you the temp your Traeger's running. So having a wireless meat thermometer, it doesn't have to be this one, it can be any one, but this is the one I use. This is from the meatstick. There's a link in the description for this one. I use this wireless, so when I put in the meat, I put this in the meat, and I go sit down, and I can watch the football game, keeping an eye on the meat through my phone. And then the app is going to alarm me when the meat's ready. Simple as that. So now that you have that, now the biggest thing you're going to be looking for, and it's going to always be a thing, is what kind of barbecue rub you want to use. And believe me, when I first started, I checked all of them. I looked at all of them. I bought a few. Walmart has a few, and I got that. And then finally I came to this one. So if you're just getting into the whole barbecue and the Traeger, and you're trying to find what good seasoning rub is, go with the Meat Church. If you go to meatchurch.com, they have many different rubs. This is my favorite that I use a lot, and you'll see those on the videos that I do. This is the one I want. So to make your search easy at the beginning, go ahead and grab one of these. Either thermometer, your pellets you're gonna need. Like I said, it's a must. So I would suggest either try pecan, hickory, or cherry. Signature blend is another one, but I never liked the signature blend. It just didn't taste really good. So I would suggest the hickory, the pecan, and the cherry. So now that you have your brand new Traeger, you got your pellets that you want, you have your thermometer, and you finally have the barbecue rub that you need, you're set. And as for now, that's all you need. Nothing else. Remember, all you need is a bag of pellets, any meat thermometer you can get. Walmart has them real cheap and they work fine. Or if you want to spend a little bit more money and get a wireless, which will make your life easier. And the barbecue blend that you want, the barbecue seasoning that you're going to want is probably Meat Church. If you don't know what they're about, look at their site. They have many different rubs. I suggest try this one first because you can't go wrong with this one. Also, I'm planning on doing a review video on different types of barbecue rubs, from How to Barbecue Right, from Cosmos. Those are some top good barbecue rubs also, so see that video coming soon. Other than that, you are ready to try your grill. You have your Traeger or pellet grill. Doesn't matter what kind of pellet grill, as long as it's a pellet grill. These are the necessities that you'll need right off the bat. So make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.